In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Warp on Windows 11, then run the codes. So first here, in Google search box, right there, Warp, then go on this Warp dev site. So let's click this. Then after download for Windows, and here you can see, here, let's click this Warp setup exe file is there. So here the file is now downloading. So here warp setup.exe. So this file that's downloaded. Now simply you need to click on this open. So install for all. After click on yes button. Thereafter click on next. So this is for path and desktop. Now click on install. So this here installing this warp and a stable version and creating the shortcut. Here you can see shortcut that's created. Now let's click on this finish. Thereafter, double click on this warp icon, or then you have the option welcome to warp. So you can create the account or sign in. So right now I'm clicking on this escape for now, and yes, escape. So now you can see this PowerShell that's come there, starting the PowerShell core. So here you can write PowerShell command this place. So let's test there. Write minus host. So inside there, going to print hello world. So here you can get this or app data. Now press enter. So write host hello world, and now you can see hello world that's displaying. So this is the beautiful terminal for PowerShell. Now thereafter displays tools tab. Thereafter moving on the desktop, and this here Python. Here you can see some files are there. So here let's click on this test.py. So this is the code. Now this code that's going to run with the help of this PowerShell. So let's close this now here. So first moving on the desktop, cd desktop. So this is now our directory that changed. So on this desktop here, you can see a Python file is there, Python directory inside this file is there. So let's do here cd, then Python 1. So this is change their directory. Now let's use the ls command. So this here, you can see add.py hello.js or this is there. Now test.py that's going to run. So Python for let's write the command Python, then give there test.py. Press enter. So this is now executed without any error. So this is the program for TikTok. So let's give some number 6, 8, 4, 3, 2, 9, 6 already is there. Let's give 5 and 1 and let's give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, and this here 7. So player X wins. So according to given code, that's returning the output. Like let's use the ls once again. So now going to run there add.py. So Python then add.py. So first number 8, second is 7. Press enter. So sum is now 17. That's displaying there. Like this, so here the other is let's use their JS for JSON. Okay, and now here moving this place. So now going to run this code. For this one node, we need to write the command node. Then let's give the hello.js. So hello.js is currently running. Now this is listening to this place. Now here, if you copy and paste this into the browser, here you can get the output. Hello world, that's the display. So this is how we can install this warp ID and run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.